carpets and more, keeping you at the forefront of home design.
Hi, I'm Suzanne Wynn, and everybody who knows me knows how much I love drama. And really, what could be more dramatic than a simply stunning dining room? So I'm going to tell you how to get that drama in your life drama-free. First of all, you need a feature wall. So what we did here is we used a Philip Jeffries grass cloth, layered on top of it an abstract piece of art, and then we resurrected the hurricanes of the past. Yes, we all had them about 20 years ago, and I'm sure threw them away, but this is a little different. It's got the chain hanging, so it's a new modern uptick on an old school hurricane. Put an ultra modern light fixture in with a rustic table, and now you have drama in your life. I'm Suzanne Wynn, and I love me some drama.